A humming garbage disposal that is not jammed is often caused by an overheated or stuck grinding plate. To resolve this issue, the disposal needs to be reset. When a garbage disposal overheats, it will either turn off or hum to protect itself. The reset process involves locating the reset button, usually found under the disposal, and pushing it to reset the internal circuit breaker. After resetting, check if the disposal is working properly. If the issue persists, it may be necessary to manually rotate the grinding plate, as oils and grease can interfere with its operation. This can be done using an Allen wrench, which should be inserted into the grinder's hole at the bottom of the unit and turned to dislodge any debris. Once the grinding plate is rotated and the disposal is reset, restore power and check if the humming has stopped. If the issue is resolved, running hot water down the disposal can help clean out any remaining grease and oils.